What's up, guys? It's your girl Di, and I'm back again with another video. And today I'm going to be doing a requested video from one of my viewers. Hopefully you are subscribed, and it's just basically explaining and showing how you would extend nails and make them longer without taking off the whole set and doing another one. So let's get right into it. Okay, so even though you're not going to take off the set, you are going to want to go in and remove the top coat from the nail. So that's what you seen me do, and I'm just going to make sure I dust it and clean all the dust and extra stuff like that off with swipe. Then I'm going to go in with my protein bond and make sure I got extra adhesion when I place the new acrylic onto the nail. And that I just showed you in that clip how to basically, you need to put the form on if you're not familiar with using a form. But yes, a form is the way that I extend nails without taking the nail off. Or if somebody needs a repair, like they might have somehow broke the tip of their nail off, I also use a form for that also. Okay, guys, so now that the nail form is on and it's secure, you can go on with your first bead. Now, I sculpted this nail out pretty long to where it made this nail become like an extra long nail. So I had to pretty much rebalance out the whole nail. And basically when I say rebalance is because, you'll have an apex in a certain place if it's just short or medium. But when it's long, you'll have your apex pushed back a little bit more. So I had to pretty much just restructure out the nail to where like the bottom of the nail became the middle because I made it longer, so I had to make sure I had enough acrylic in that area. And you just do that by looking at the side of the nail. You can pretty much tell, okay, I need more in the middle, okay, I need more at the tip, okay, the top is, just basically like that. Okay, guys, so you'll just basically continue to add beads and make what the part that you extended, and just make that, match with the other nail where everything is structured the way it should be. Like when you look on the side of the nail looks how it's supposed to look. And then after that, you're done. You let it dry and you move on to the next nail. Okay, moving on to the next nail. If you are not familiar with forms, all you have to do is just open it up, pinch the bottom like that. Don't pinch the top of the nail. You just want to pinch that little part at the bottom. Open up the little top at the little flaps at the top. Slide it right onto the nail. Make sure it's up under there correctly. And before you pinch the bottom of the nail, you need to make sure it's secured on there the way you want. Once you get it, pinch the bottom. And once the bottom is pinched and it's secured, you really don't have to fold those little flaps, but you can do it for, just to get them out your way, or if you feel like just to secure them down a little bit more, that's fine. But the little flaps at the top don't matter if the form is placed properly on the nail. Okay, guys, so for this nail, I really didn't extend the nail long. I took it from short to medium. So once I was done putting my beads at the tip of the nail, the structure of the nail was still in place. So all I had to do was just go in, shape, and file, and that was fine. I didn't have to add so many beads like I added to the first nail, because the structure was still in place. It wasn't out of shape or anything like that, like the first nail was. And I just wanted to add in there that on both nails you see me add acrylic on the sides of the nail, and that's just because I felt like the way I sculpted it, it was not as wide as the actual nail should have been. So you want to keep that in mind also. If the nail is not, you're just going to want to make sure that it's not looking very skinny at the bottom and then wide at the top. You're going to want to have it even with the nail, especially if you're doing like a square nail. Now, if you're doing a coffin shaped nail, you can have the tip, a little bit more in, because that's the look you're going for. What you see me doing here is just cutting off the little thin parts of acrylic that you're definitely not going to need for your nail. And that's just to cut down time when you're filing the actual nail. And then you just want to go in, shape the nail how you want it shaped. Get it real good and crisp. 9 times out of 10, if you're a beginner, you're going to do a lot more shaping than the average professional, but that's fine. Just take your time, shape it as much as you need to. Don't think like, well, I shaped for a couple minutes. If it doesn't look like it needs to look, you continue to shape your nail. And after you're done doing all the sculpting and stuff and shaping, you just go in with your e-file, file the nail till the lumps and bumps are out of the nail, and then that's all you do. And that's how you extend a acrylic nail without just taking a whole set off and starting over. If you made it to this end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down anything that you would like to see, like my subscriber did, and I'll put the video out the same day. So make sure you guys are letting me know down in the comments. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye. Oh guys, and for a quick tip, I wanted to show you that when you get acrylic up under the nail and it feels funny or it looks funny, just flip the nail of the hand over and just take your e-file and get up under that nail and file that acrylic up off of there until it's smooth under there. Bye.